31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. This is day 3, so please do check out the other days and check out the playlist as well. This playlist, these 31 apps, all kind of really cool stuff: cashback apps, referral apps, free cryptocurrency, free stocks, make money watching videos, make money listening to music. All kind of really cool apps and websites where you can do those kind of things. Some of these apps you can make even more money by referring people. I created a separate video on show you how to do all that kind of stuff and where to put your referral links. Also, if you're interested in creating a really cool income for yourself with a like-minded community, I got a website that you're going to want to check out. There's a top link in the video description below for some more information. There's a free starter account. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. It's really cool. There's a lot of really cool people there to help you out. There's free training there. You get a free website to start off with. And of course, you could upgrade to a premium account if you wish to do so and create some more money that way. So check that out as well. Okay, so today we're going to do this day 3. We're going to do another cashback app. The last 2 days I did cashback apps, and this is another one where you get cash back. A really cool website and app for your iOS phone or your Android device, and website and Google Chrome extension. So today we're going to cover what is it, how it works, some payment proof, do they have a referral program to make even more cash, how do they pay, what countries, a couple reviews, pros and cons, and then some of my final thoughts on all of this. So let's get right into this one. Today's app / website / whatever is Wikibuy. All right, so this is very similar to yesterday's app. It's another cashback app. It is wikibuy.com. It's from Capital One, so you know it's pretty legit. Basically, you sync up your debit cards, your credit cards, whatever you go shopping with this website, and there's a Chrome extension, and there's an iOS app, and there's an Android app, and you get cash back when you shop at these different places. There's all kind of different offers here, as you can see. Blue Apron, Macy's, FedEx, Rosetta Stone, Verizon, Target, Groupon, and many others. Like for example, $30 cash back on a purchase from Blue Apron. That's a very good one. 10% back on Verizon, 2 coupons found for Target. And when you use your card, it's kind of set and forget, so it's pretty cool. You just use your card when you shop out normally and you get cash back. Some of them you do have to go in here, like the coupons. I'm sure you have to check these out and probably redeem them or whatever, like get coupon now. But it's really cool. And then also something really cool about it with the Chrome extension, like if I go to Amazon.com and I go to this MacBook here or something, or any product for that matter, you have the Chrome extension installed, and you can see here, this is what Amazon, your total price on Amazon, and then if you can find better deals from Wikibuy, they're going to show you better deals, and then you get, on this particular deal, it's 10% off of what Amazon is selling it for. So it's really cool. And if there is no deal, you can add it to your watch list. You can add things to the watch list. So if the price drops, you don't have to buy it right away. You wait till the price drops and you're good to go. And then when you click on this, for example, it'll take you to the Wikibuy site and it'll show you what site they are selling it on. And there's other offers down here. So you can really find the best deal as well as getting cash back on things. So that is very cool as well. So also, there's so many different products here that you probably buy anyways. Like I said, stuff you normally buy. I don't go out of my way with any of these apps to purchase stuff that I don't normally buy. So that's the best way to do it. So basically, like I said, you just set up your credit cards here, account settings, payment methods. So your payment methods are here, and then you link your cards up like so. So let's put my card in there real quick and link your eligible credit card or debit card. Use your link payments to pay in store at participating merchants. Earn credits that can be used to purchase gift cards on Wikibuy, and so on and so forth. So that's how you set up your card. You just put all your information here and so and so on, and you're good to go. So let's take a look at some payment proofs here. This is from Trustpilot's website, and it's got a pretty good ranking here, 4.6 out of 5. Sometimes the savings aren't much, but they are great. Okay, so yeah, there's different amounts of money you're going to save here, sometimes lower than higher. Wikibuy does all the work. Code applied at checkout, save $20. Awesome. So these are ones about saving money. The amount of Wikibuy has saved me crazy. It just got me $50 off an order, and I also have $30 in rewards I have not used yet. So cool. This one's a really good one here. They saved $50 and got $30 in rewards that they have not used yet. So a lot of really good reviews, simple and works. And by the way, it's from Capital One too, the credit card company. So you know that it's not a shady company or anything like that. So I haven't actually cashed out with it myself. I haven't even used it, to be honest with you. But it's one that I'm using now. I'm gonna set my credit cards up and everything like that. I use a similar service like this, like the video I showed you yesterday. So this is really good feedback here. And let's move on. Okay, so do they have a referral program? They do have a referral program here. And at the time of making this video, where's refer friends? Invite friends. They don't offer any incentives at the time of making this video, which is fine. You share with friends, you have your little code here like that. Other services that I've been showing you on the different videos and stuff like that, you get cash and stuff and rewards for referring people, and sometimes they get something as well. Like yesterday's app, you get, I believe it was $30. Each of you get $30 for referring each other. But as of today, and these things do change over time, maybe they'll add in a extra incentive to invite friends. But as of today, it looks like they don't have any kind of incentive to invite your friends other than just to tell them about it. So they do have a referral program, but not necessarily one that you make money from. So there's that to think of as well, but whatever. And use my link down below anyways, if you're gonna sign up for it. However, they do have a thing here where you get $25 or a $10 bonus when you first sign up. And you can see that in the frequent asked questions. Only new customers who make a $25 or more at a qualifying merchant within 30 days of joining Wikibuy are eligible to receive a new member bonus. Customers can also earn additional $10 in Wikibuy credits on their first purchase. All blah, 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 and so on and so forth. So there is that as well. You can get $10 if you use it in the first 30 days or whatever, spend $25. But how do they pay? That is one of the questions we need to find out. Let's check it out. Okay, so how do they pay? Wikibuy gives you credits, and then how do you redeem these credits? So Wikibuy is, you redeem your credits for gift cards, participating stores on Wikibuy directly. So you don't actually get cash or anything back. I mean, you get cash back, but you actually have to spend it in these same stores, which is still a very good deal. Other services that I use, you get either PayPal money or directly to your bank account. But this one right here, it's basically just you're getting gift cards to shop at the stores and spend more money at those stores. Still a very good deal. Not as great as getting cash back, obviously, but still a very good deal. And you just click here to redeem your credits. I don't have any credits at the moment, so I have 0 available on Wiki Credits. And redeem Wikibuy credits, and there's all these stores here. eBay, Macy's, and so on and so forth. Office Max, Depot, whatever. And so you do get gift cards back, and you will get some money and save money, whatever. So pretty cool. Let's move on. Okay, so now what countries does Wikibuy work in? Let's check this out. Wikibuy only finds savings to United States addresses for now. While we are currently focused on optimizing domestic, expanding savings to foreign customers will be a future priority. So right now, at the time of making this video, it's only in the United States. So please, guys, if you're in other countries, leave in the comments below what countries you're in, and so I can point you in the direction of apps and stuff that are either worldwide or available in your countries and stuff like that. So this one at the time, and you can check it out now too, because like I said, at the time of making this video, I don't know when you're watching this video. It could be a year from now, and maybe they added Canada, UK, Germany, whatever. I don't know. So check that out anyways, see if it's available in your country, and let's move on. So some reviews here from the iOS store. As you can see here, we're going to scroll down a little bit. We have a 4.6 out of 5. Very nice, with about 4,000 plus ratings. So I believe it's a newer app because it's only 4,000 ratings. Usually they have a lot more, but they do have a very high score here. And of course, you're always going to have some low score ones, as you can see, but most of them are 5-star, which is very, very, very good. Now let's move on to the Android device reviews. We have a 4.4 out of 5 as well. Only about little over 700 reviews. So, you know, still a lot of 5 stars. Of course, there's some 1 stars as always, but a lot of very, very good reviews here on the iOS and the Android store. So it's, like I said, it's very high rankings. So, and let's move on. Okay, so my final thoughts and the pros and cons of this all is, well, the pros, you kind of could set it and forget it. You sync up your debit cards and such, and you're good to go. For most of the offers, you don't have to worry about it. Some other pros are there's just a lot of stores that they are associated with, and a lot of products that you can buy. Another pro would be the Chrome extension, where it tells you, you know, different saving prices like this and such. So a lot of really cool stuff. I guess some of the cons would be that they only pay out in gift cards at the moment. There is no incentive to refer friends at the time of making this video. There could be later. I guess another con would be that it's in the United States only at the moment. So if you're in another country, you don't really get to use it. So, but overall, it's a really cool cashback app. I've used similar ones like the one I reviewed yesterday on yesterday's video of the day, or 31 apps, whatever you want to call it. So check it out. I mean, there's no harm in checking it out. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below. Any questions, you can ask them down below as well. Please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. And let me know what you think. Check out tomorrow's video, or check out the playlist. I got a bunch of other apps here that I'm going over. A lot of really cool stuff indeed. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.